Loading something here knows to introduce vibes and today we watch live chaos in Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa wreaks havoc and causes widespread devastation, destruction in Kingston. And not just Kingston alone, it's all over. It's more like the western side of the island. Westmoreland, Hanover, Mobile, St. James, St. Ann, Trelawney, them places, they really get the worst height. Fenty get the worst height, bro. Parts of Mandeville, underwater, same way. But anyway, this video is by Storm HQ. You guys can check it out. The link is gonna be in the description. You support the original video. I don't own none of these videos. Dog, dog. The water they unreal, you know. The amount of water me see is like me I relive the storm all over again out over there. Right? And I have to say, yo, me really feel sorry for those who were majorly impacted. Is it me not really necessarily able to send down a big crate of this or a big crate of that, but the most I can really do, right, is to bring awareness. So if one can help people that are down on the western end of the island, please do. Please do. Bumbo Kelp wanna be the watercourse. And by the way, I don't think that is Kingston. And if I Kingston, I know.
Struck Jamaica with unimaginable power, unleashing the full force of a Category 5 storm as its eye roared ashore. Winds screamed across the island at nearly 200 miles per hour, tearing roofs from homes, flattening trees, and shattering anything left exposed to its violent core.
Sorry. All, wait there. Wait there. All zinc. Everything I tear off. Yo, that hurricane are like one of them say one of the worst in our island history. And God say I know it is. It really, really is. One of the worst of all time. Is it this them say Gilbert did bad, but from only talk to my relative them bo. Really Gilbert have be a soft soap business compared to what Melissa do. Wait, is that well, hold on. I need to go check on Puffy or ball. Puffy or ball, I need to go check on him. Soon come back chat. Alright guys, hope you make up for him and say him now and go back run. So now for just go for him. Now go for him. I goddamn. I can't bother. I can't bother. Little rascal. I'm gonna climb through the gate. On the board. You come. You come. Come here. Don't run. Come here. So, why you are the runner? Hmm? Where are the runner? Hmm? Where are the runner? You tell people why you come around the front. Why? Why? So, he's a child of prophecy. The one who shall set us free. The child of prophecy. Anyway, wonder if I should put you back around there because you're gonna find out who you have to crawl out back. I'm gonna put you. And when I look on the one bugger with you, it'll give me a bigger problem. And I don't trust you enough to leave you out in the open. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll put you down. Hmm? Put you on. Put you somewhere safe. We now go to road palm and shit. So clearly you want it on the front. Put it on the front. Now leave it around at the back. That's why I stay. Alright. The puppy has been secured. Supposed to relax himself for now. So get back to business. The amount of property damage and losses people incurring in that hurricane I did so unreal because like I wouldn't want to be somebody will end up lose their whole house or them whole car wash away, car flip over, car mash up, can't drive again, people lose their roof. I see one road down at I don't remember which part of Cynthia Road. One of them parish there. The road dig out. The amount of force the water they push and a carry, it dig out the whole road, bad man. Don't they look like say you a tractor dig out the road, brother?
The
Dog,
hurricane had
now
struck.
look on the amount of force this hurricane carry, brother. If you notice the wind itself, no, so the wind speed is gone up to like 195, basically 200 kilometers per hour. Now a regular storm this pass through in a bad man. Is a monster pass through the place in a bro.
Strengthened rapidly over the Caribbean's unusually warm waters, transforming
Dog,
from a
what the
tropical
fuck that,
wave
brother?
into one of the most powerful storms in Atlantic history. Meteorologists tracking its evolution described near perfect symmetry and a compact, ferocious eye wall spinning with terrifying precision. Morning, this is what Maypen will look like. This is on the highway side, on the Glenmore Road. So this is what
All man like LA Lewis I talk about oh the storm never did that come. You were right, man and full of LA Lewis and beat him still in a game couple out of beat him sticking up because oh the hell you're going to drive around the island to use a storm now. Go look at the storm do. Look at what the storm did. Holy shit, brother. Oh man, this not normal dog. And if me put my phone on D&D. And that's a beach. Fair side. The beach waters are flow over, bro. Bro, them breathing water than normal, bro. Dog, dog, them breathe their water has never been seen before. I've never seen anything like this in my whole life. And I wasn't even there live. And me there, I fear and I wonder how the fuck them people even survive. Oh, you even let that out there on a video this, bro. Fuck. Fuck up, yo.
As Melissa lingered over the island, its slow forward motion became a nightmare for forecasters and residents alike. The storm's crawl allowed hours of relentless rain to drench Jamaica's mountainous terrain, triggering flash floods and landslides that swept through rural communities.
Dog. Whole our country. Whole of our countryside I get the worst sight. You see places like Kingston, Portland, Spanish Town, some part of Clarendon never have it as bad compared to other parishes on the west. Westmoreland, Hanover, Senti, Trelawney, St. James, St. Anne. All them places that they have it the worst way. Certain sections of the island. Although 3 weeks have passed, them say some places still get light, some places don't have light, but I only first leak one couple night, well long the dark like midnight, brother. Dark, dark, dark. People don't have light for hours, bro. Serious, serious shit, real shit.
In coastal towns, the sea surged inland with unstoppable force, submerging streets and sweeping away everything in its path. Low-lying areas faced walls of water several meters high, leaving behind widespread destruction and a growing humanitarian crisis.
Bro, man, I see video a man will get stuck in the waters and a police they have to drag them out and put them in a police station to save a man's life. I never see two man hold on upon them one another so yet in their whole life. All because you're the G end up surviving. And the police them have nothing more than the police them to thank in life. So sometimes it doesn't really show in the times of crisis, really do need each other, you see. But at the end of the day, with me, I might not have as much resources as the next man, right? People, my family on that side are without light right now. Now, my friends who are on that side have nothing right now. They not shit. But what me have right about now is a platform where we can bring awareness and we can actually help encourage people to help those who are in need of help. Don't send in the money to the little junker and want to go work and they run down the country. And I say, yo, them must suffer on a ball fee for welfare and welfare. Because there are some people that are from Kingston going down there to trick no phone while sending the food and so. But, 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 may I use my platform now to bring awareness to the people who need it. So please go ahead and support Jamaica. There was a link that the government specifically put over to send aid funds to. I need to get that link and post it in the description or at least in the comment section of this video. I'm gonna post it live. But as of right now, cause Why? Fuck up. Yeah, man, the place flatten. Yeah, me as video I know over flatten right down to the ground one all one old church the dung, flatten. Sent to them place and after the storm passed through, they look like a completely different place. Never look like Jamaica, bro. Place mash up, my lord. Mash up. And it's unreal, bro. And the amount of people are dead. I think the death toll right about now is like 45 people, and them still are search for bodies. This, I believe that death count will go over in the hundreds, as real as it gets. As real as it gets. And it's very unfortunate. It's really sad. It's really sad. I don't think I can watch the murder video, but people, please support the relief efforts. I don't own no right to these videos, support the original creator, right? My name is Audience One. You can call me Lee. Sign out. Till the next time. See, I can't watch no more, bro. Honestly, this gut wrenching. I want to change my vibe right now. I want to change my mind. It's so gut wrenching, bro. Like, I think about the losses of people face, and bro, it just messed up. I can't watch no more of this, bro. I don't want to relive this nostalgia again. Alright, I go do what I already go try already. I'm gonna need to watch some more. Because I already seen so many videos on Instagram. Quest times I post so much videos. I can't watch no more. I can't watch no more. If you wanna watch the rest of the video, I can't go on, fam. You know watch no more. Big up on yourself.